Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are bleaching knots on this closure. So I'm going to use some bleach, 30 developer, a bowl, brush, clips, and a plastic butter knife. So right now I am just twisting up the hair so I can pin it back, and this will help from getting bleach on the hair where it doesn't need to go. Now that we have the hair pinned and clipped away, we are going to go ahead and mix the bleach. So with bleach, you want to make sure it is kind of thick, so this will make sure it's not runny, it doesn't get onto the roots of the hair. I'm just doing a closure, so I don't need as much bleach. I used about half of what you see me putting in this bowl because I realized that's way too much and we don't want to waste product. And I start by adding a little bit of developer at a time to make sure that I get the consistency that I want. There's that plastic butter knife that I forgot about at first. So you just add it and you're going to mix it, and then you just want to make sure it's a thick consistency. Also, be careful with bleach. It is a chemical, so you should be wearing gloves. Do as I say, not as I do, and also be sure not to, inhale it in. So once I started mixing it, I realized that it was a little too thick, so we're just going to add a little more developer, and we're just going to mix that up and get it to the correct consistency. So now that is the correct consistency, we're just going to take this butter knife and we're just really going to spread the bleach on the closure, almost like we're spreading like butter and jelly on some toast. So you just lightly, well, we're going to get some more bleach since that one fell. We're going to try this again. So just lightly spread it on there. You don't want to put too much pressure because that will push the bleach too far and onto the roots of the hair. So you literally just very lightly cover it. Just make sure you get all of the closure to make sure you don't miss any of the knots. So now I'm going to pay special attention to the hairline because that's the front of the closure. That's where you're going to see the most. So I just really take my time and make sure I get every single knot and make sure all of it's covered evenly with bleach. So yeah, that's about it. It's really simple. So I just continue to cover the whole closure, make sure it all has bleach. I just let it sit there and let it do its thing. I don't wrap it in foil or anything. And then once the knots are lightened, then I wash it out and shampoo it, and that's it. Like, it's pretty simple. Honestly, the hardest thing is just to make sure your bleach is the right consistency. If you have that, everything else should go smoothly. Now I'm just going back and hitting the front of that closure again and making sure I got all of the knots close to the hairline and where the part would be at. Now that I'm done, if I do get any bleach on any like strands that are sticking out, I just literally take a damp paper towel and pull it off, and then you'll be good. So that's it. I will show at the end a clip of what the knots look like on the closure and how you can kind of tell when it's done. So this is it sitting here, and then these are, you can see it kind of lightened at the roots. That means those knots are lightened. I hope you guys really learned something from my video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. Please comment, and don't forget to subscribe over here, somewhere, over there. Wherever it is on the screen, find it, hit it so you won't miss another video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.